In this video, I will share with you step by step how to get Lidl Plus gift card. So friends, this is a gift card you can use and you can get by follow these steps. So let's get started. If you're interested, let's get started. Go to Google and look for get a Lidl Plus gift card. I see some form here, guys. Then I will submit some form here for contact form. Lidl, this one. This is my request. I choose category, I choose Lidl Plus, and this one subject, click on you have Lidl Pay. Use click order from this one. For this message, I want to get a Lidl Plus card. This is my requesting, and then write your all details, friends, such your email address, such your loyalty ID, and then write your solicitations here. From here, guys, you can open your little app and you can following this all details. That's such write your last name and your stress and you fill all these details and then click send. And this is how you can do, guys, to apply and you get cards. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more content. Just submit this form, friends, and then you will get your card.